Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to teach how to uh, put up inside of a battery in this coffee frother. So this I buy it from IKEA, but I don't know how to. I was not knowing how to insert a battery into this. Just it's way more easier. Even I just figured it out. Just wanted to share the video to you guys. You can see this plus and this is minus. Just open this. So keep this plus, you can see the plus sign. So this is plus sign. Just add, okay, and just insert. So just add this plus, just pull this and just insert in this and take another sign. Okay, so this is minus, so you want to keep it as minus. Keep it. This is way more easy. And just push this. Okay, this plug. Right. So this is way more easier. Yeah, if you like the video, please kindly share.